Making his way to the ring, from Hollywood, Florida, weighing in at 218 pounds, Dolph Ziggler.
No more showing off. It's all business now for Dolph. Not about showing off anymore for Dolph Ziggler because he believes he's accomplished everything he needs to in WWE, and he's right.
Dolph Ziggler made it his personal mission to eliminate the complacency that plagues the WWE locker room.
Corey, here, hand me that Saxon voodoo doll, quick.
No, keep it away.
And his opponent, from parts unknown, weighing in at 330 pounds, Papa Shango.
Hey, Corey, did you get your Saxton voodoo doll from Papa Shango?
Yeah, I went to that shop down on Bourbon Street.
I thought you threw that thing away.
I keep it in my bag for moments just like this. A superstar so dangerous, he makes Baron Samedi nervous.
Man, this guy is eerie, he's creepy.
Why does he have to be here?
Big time last man standing match kicking off here.
The abuse these competitors are about to put themselves through with the hope of being the last one standing is almost hard to imagine.
What a strike, right on the mark.
Oh, a knee!
Lights out. Right across.
There he goes, crashing to the floor. That's not what he had planned.
I would hope not, Michael.
DDT! Ziggler may be in trouble here. We all know, though, this guy has plenty of fight left in him.
And I'm sure a lot of people are expecting him to be the last man standing here tonight. And he very well may be. But right now, it's not looking so good for him.
I know it's early, but if things stay the way they are, winning this match might just be a pipe dream for him.
What a stomp!
Good grief.
He wants no part of the outside. I don't like the look in his eye here, folks.
Guys, we've seen some pretty creative finishes to last man standing matches over the years, and perhaps one of the most creative took place at Extreme Rules 2010 when John Cena duct taped Batista's legs together.
Vicious strike.
Ooh! Vicious knee.
Boom! A knee right to the face. This guy's a machine.
Byron, regarding that Cena-Batista match you mentioned, not only did the Animal lose that night, but it was also likely one of the most embarrassing moments of his career.
Of course it was, Cole. Wouldn't you be embarrassed if you struggled to stand because your feet were taped together? Come on.
You gotta believe this one's over. You guys see that distance?
And now Papa Shango is engaging in the time-honored WWE tradition of trash talking.
7.
We will go on. Dolph Ziggler turns it around. What a stomp. Good grief.
Oh, man, right to the arm. Hyperextend your elbow.
What a strike. Irish whip.
Yeah, showing some great technique and full of energy right now. Oh,
DDT. absolutely floored.
Yeah, but let's be honest, a light breeze would knock him over.
What a clothesline!
Ouch. The ref's out.
No good can come of this, Michael.
And the beat goes on. And there's the reversal from Papa Shango.
He's in a vulnerable spot now, guys.
Look at him, he's wide open for attack.
Oh, nasty impact.
Back in from the floor. Now it's Papa Shango struggling a bit.
But he's very aware of who he's in there with and what he has to do to rebound.
Yeah, but we all know how tough he is, Cole. It's going to take a steamroller to keep him down for the 10 count.
I can tell you with all certainty that he did not anticipate his opponent mounting any sort of comeback here. And it looks like he was wrong. Very wrong.
I think we're about to see a high-risk move from the top rope.
Neckbreaker.
Look at Papa Shango stalking him.
It might be cliche, but it's true here. It ain't over till it's over.
The ref wasn't finished. Not over yet. And what a reversal from Papa Shango.
There goes the ref.
Oh no, this is not good, guys.
This match ain't over yet. Wow, elbow! No reason for that. And this match is going to continue.
Right across the back of the neck. What a strike.
Come on, let the ref do his job.
That's using your head.
A lot of people are questioning how this superstar got such a favorable spot in this week's power rankings. But not to me. Seems perfectly logical.
Papa Shango is really feeling it. And the beat goes on. Bad move there.
I don't know what made him think that was a good idea.
Clothesline! Ooh, that's how you dominate your opponent.
Wow, the ref got hit hard there.
He may not get back up, Cole.
Uh-oh. Setting him up.
Uh-oh.
I'm no mathematician, guys, but by my calculations, a last man standing match is more than 3 times as brutal as a traditional match. After all, you only need to keep your opponent down for a 3 count in a traditional match.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Oh, the referee better get a hold of things.
Despite having an impressive spot in this week's power rankings, I'm told this superstar isn't all concerned with things like that.
If I was Papa Shango, I would not be behaving like this.
And now Papa Shango is engaging in the time-honored...
Unbelievable. This singles match is over.
Let's take another look at what made that last man standing match so memorable.
Here is your winner, Papa Shango!
A well-earned victory indeed.
And they both gave it their...
I think business is about to pick up sooner rather than later. Whoa! I think business is about to pick up. This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Dominating cross-body.
You gotta believe this one's over.
Lariat.
What a strike. And that one grounds him.
I didn't realize he had such a glass jaw.
Ooh, just dropped.
Uh-oh.
What's coming next? Nailed it.
That has got to be it. Moves like that will make you question why you stepped into the ring in the first place.